guys, welcome to another video. So today I am going to be kind of like reviewing Boxycharm, the last one, March 2020. Is that the month we're in? It's been a long week. Yes, it is. Okay, so I'm gonna be reviewing that one. The only thing is I don't have that little sheet of paper, but I looked up all the prices and everything so that I can kind of give you guys my thoughts on everything. But there were 5 products in the box this month again. And so for this month, we got the Hello Charmer. It's a palette and it is $39 according to the Boxycharm website. And this is what it looks like. So it's a pretty big size palette. It says it's $39. I'm not sure I would pay $39 for it, but it looks pretty. We'll try it out and we'll see what it looks like. Next, we have the Appeal. It's called Appeal Ultra Cream Lipstick. And it looks like this. It kind of is a pretty color. It's in the color Dolce. This one, it shows online for $21. Next, we have the Becca Ultimate Lip Definer. And this one is in the color Pouty. And it looks like that. And for this one, it's showing as $18. Then we have the Kat Von D Metal Crush Liquid Highlighter, and it's in Gold School. And it looks like this, right? But on the inside, it's this little tube here, and it's got like, I haven't even opened it. It has like a little thing that you can pump up, kind of like one of those lip glosses, but we'll try this one out as well. And last but not least, I'm kind of super excited about this one, is the Sutra Beauty Mini Ceramic Curling Iron with Cool Tip. And so this one is a little mini curling iron you can take with you, take it on the go. And this one on the website, it's showing as $50. It even has the packaging on it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And so I'll be doing my hair. As you guys can tell, my hair is kind of crazy right now. But I'll be doing my hair with this one in a little bit. So yeah, we'll just try them all out and see how things are going. I haven't gotten ready, really. I love these things. They're so calming. Do you guys like them? Okay, sorry, I'm done. Oh, okay, a couple more. Okay, so I haven't really had a reason to get ready. Where I live at, we're actually all kind of on lockdown. And so my kids here, my husband here, we're all kind of just trapped in the house. And so I haven't really had to really get ready for anything, but today I felt like it's a good day to get ready. So just try it. And I also wanted to review this box. I know I'm super late, but I've kind of been behind with everything, and then working from home is definitely interesting, for sure, to say the least. So starting off with the palette, I already did my eyebrows, and I also primed my eyes using the MAC paint pot in soft ochre. And so I'm gonna go ahead and go into premium. And for premium, I'm gonna use the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush. I kind of want to use the blues today, but we'll see how it looks. So I guess once I get a little deeper in, I'll decide what colors exactly. And so I'm just gonna take this all the way up and like underneath my brow. So how are you guys doing with this whole virus thing? Hope you guys are all doing good. And you haven't gone too crazy, locked up in your house. I'm almost there, but we'll make it through, so. We're just kind of using this like all over. And it's like a transition shade here before we put the deeper colors in. So next I'll go into unboxing. I'm just gonna put the color into the crease. It definitely has pretty colors in this palette. And they do blend pretty well. It hasn't shown up chunky or anything like that, so that's always a good thing. So I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks really dark. So that's full size. And Charmer. I'm thinking that we're gonna go with Charmer actually. I was thinking full size, but you can't really tell that it's blue. It's kind of more of like a black. So we'll go with Charmer. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my finger just because it is a glitter and it'll usually pack on a little bit better, so. It's actually a really pretty color. It's very smooth, also like buttery, so it goes on really well. Then I'm gonna clean up the sides here.
And just for time's sake, I'm gonna speed through the rest of my face makeup until I get to the next product.
And so for the under eye, I'm gonna use this Morphe brush. It's like a short little one, and I'm gonna go back into, actually we'll do Cup of Joe first. I'm gonna highlight it with Pop Up, and it looks like this. A pop of color, so. That's a big difference right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's pretty big. Okay. I kind of swatched the lipstick just to kind of see what color it was, and I did put the liner, but the liner is really light for me, so I don't think I'm going to be using it. It is probably too light for me. Probably end up giving it away, but I did swatch it. It is pretty, it's just way too light for my skin tone. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with the Strip Down by MAC. We'll use that. And it's the pencil liner that they have. And once again, the lipstick is it's by Appeal. It's the Ultra Cream lipstick, and it's in Dolce. Okay. And it looks like this. It's basically the same color as Strip Down. So I guess that was a good choice there. All good to go. And now we're gonna go into this liquid highlighter here. I've never used anything like this before for highlighter, but it's by Kat Von D and it's in Gold School for the color. I'm assuming we just do this and that it should come up, but I'm not seeing anything. Maybe it takes a while, so. Okay, and there we go. I guess this is what it looks like when it comes through. So let's see. Oh wow. I don't even know how to put this on, but let me get it is pretty. It's just wherever you put it, that's where it's gonna stay forever. And so you'll probably want to be careful with how you apply it, would be what I would say. Or if it looks as pretty in the camera as it does in real life, because in real life it actually does look kind of pretty. Okay. So we have that, and last but not least is my hair. So I'm gonna kind of speed through the hair, but I'll be using this little thing. And then at the end, we'll do an overall review of everything, okay? Okay, and I'm back. So my hair is done now. My makeup's done, so final thoughts on everything. Okay, the makeup palette, the eyeshadow palette, I mean, I would recommend it. I wouldn't pay $39 for it, I don't think. I haven't really played with it that much, only on what I put on my eyes this last time, but it's still pretty good. And the color, I like the way that the eye look came out. I have no complaints about it, so I can't say anything bad about it. The lipstick is okay. I mean, it's kind of light, even the lipstick for me. The lip liner is too light for me, so I can't wear that one. The curling iron, I would recommend it. It's good, especially if you're gonna be traveling. It's easy, quick to just roll up and put in a bag. It's small, so that's always good. The downside to it, my hair is so thick, it took me a little bit of time to do this with it, but in the end it came out pretty good. The highlighter is actually really pretty. So it's a gold, so I love gold. I have no complaints there. So overall, with everything in the box, it comes out to be $140, and $140 worth of stuff for only $25. Again, I do think it's worth it for this month, this March box. So yeah. Let me know what you guys think of this overall look in the comment section, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye guys, thanks for watching.